In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the issue type in Jira. If you're managing projects on Jira, knowing how to adjust the issue type is crucial for keeping your workflow organized. We'll walk through this process step by step, so whether you're handling a bug, a task, or a story, you'll be able to modify it with ease. Let's dive in. First, begin by navigating to the project that you're currently working on. Once you're there, look towards the top of the screen for the Issues tab. Click on it, and this will direct you to a list of all the issues within your project. From this list, find and open the specific issue that you want to modify. This is where you'll be making the necessary changes. When you have the issue open, look for the issue type icon. This icon might represent a bug, a task, a story, or any other type of issue you might be managing. Once you locate it, click on it. Doing this will bring up a drop-down menu or a similar selection tool. In this menu, you'll see your different issue type options, and you can select the one that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, the issue type will automatically update to reflect your selection. Now, alternatively, if you prefer to use the move option to change the issue type, here's how you can do that. Again, you'll want to start by opening the specific issue you need to modify. With the issue open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the issue view. Here you'll find the three dots menu, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Click on this menu and a list of options will appear. From this list, choose the Move option. Once you've selected Move, you'll be prompted to select a new issue type. Keep in mind that depending on the issue type you choose, some fields or statuses in the issue might require updating. Follow the on-screen prompts to make any necessary adjustments. These prompts are there to ensure the issue is properly set up in its new type. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Confirm to finalize your modifications, and there you have it, you've successfully changed the issue type in Jira. This process not only helps streamline your project management tasks, but also ensures that every issue is categorized correctly, making it easier for your team to track and resolve them efficiently. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Jira tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.